Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make two images the same size using PDF XChange Editor. I will make these two images same size. First select Home option and click here Edit option and select Image option and click on this image and select first one and press Ctrl key for our keyboard and click this second one. Also you can drag your mouse to select these two images and here you will find this format option. Click here and arrange option and this same size. Click here and see this. These two images are the same size and undo this and I will make this image similar to this image. First click this one and click the same one and select arrange option. The same size and see this. Undo and click this one and this one and select same size. Yeah, this is in this way we can make two images same size. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.